Good afternoon, folks. Rayleigh Small Engines here. We are working on a Wacker Neuson plate tank. Got a Honda engine. Now, what this is about isn't really about the machine itself. It's about putting all the correct parts back where they go. I just got through looking at this thing and looked down inside by the stud, trying to do this one-handed. See all that dirt in there? I'm gonna see if I can get y'all zoomed in here and look at all the dirt down in there. And the reason all that dirt, this whole thing is just completely nasty. The reason is because they left off, there is a rubber washer that goes right here on the top below the air cleaner. When the air cleaner goes on, hang on, I'm trying to do this like this. The air cleaner goes on, there's supposed to be a rubber washer in between the air filter and this air filter housing. So folks, be sure all your parts are in there. Suck that trash in and she won't run, and it'll end up here on my bench. Have a great day, folks. Thanks for watching.